Washington, D.C. Yesterday, Stephen returned from a trip to Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States. His visit took place during the week prior to the 4th of July. Logically, there were many activities and celebrations in town in preparation for Independence Day. During his stay in the city, Stephen visited a lot of important historical sites and monuments, and he left with a deeper understanding of the political history of the United States. Stephen spent a lot of time outdoors exploring the important monuments surrounding Capitol Hill. Of course, he saw the White House from its outside gate at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. Stephen also visited the Washington Monument, the Jefferson Memorial, and the Lincoln Memorial. These statues and pavilions are dedicated to former U.S. presidents. They commemorate the contributions that these leaders made throughout American history. Washington, D.C. also has several war memorials dedicated to fallen soldiers during the major wars of the 20th century. Away from the Capitol Hill area, Washington, D.C. has many museums and art galleries worth visiting. Stephen enjoyed his visit to Washington, D.C. because he learned a lot more about American history after touring each important landmark. Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.